some logs, so let's see if we can review all of these guys. So let's look at this one here. So this one, remember, addition means multiplication when I'm putting them together. And the only way to undo a log is to put a little snail, have them go right over it. So we have 2 cubed, which is 8, which I need to move to the other side and set it equal to happy little 0. And so we factor it using our diamond problem, multiplies to get 8, adds to get 2. So our answers are -4 and 2. -4, not going to happen there. You can't have 2 to the anything equals -4. 2 to the whatever equals -4, just doesn't work. So 2 is our only answer. Here, subtraction means division. Log base 10 is 10, but we'll go ahead and put that on there. Division is 4x cubed over x. I can reduce that to 4x squared. No, sorry, that's not equals 4x squared equals 2. And if it is 1 log, the only way to get over 1 log is to use the snail. So we give 100 is equal to 4x squared. I divide by 4. I get x squared is equal to 25, and I get plus or minus 5. The problem is I can only get a plus, because a minus right here is going to be a problem. I can't have 10 to the anything, positive number to the any power giving me a negative number. So let's look at what's supposed to happen here. I need to get rid of this guy. I cannot multiply because multiply doesn't come before exponentials in PEMDAS. So it does matter what order we do things in. So I need to divide both sides by 16, which gives us 3. And then I have 2 options. I can either log both sides, and if I do, the x comes out in front, so I have x log 0.72 equals log of 3, and I just need to divide by log of 0.72. So I do that, log of 3 divided by, in parentheses, divided by log of 0.72 gives me negative 3.34. So that's one way to do it. Back here, instead of logging it, I could have written it as a log, which would have been log base 72 of 3 equals x. And the way to plug that into your calculator is to take the log of 3 divided by the log of 72. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one here. For this one, I'm definitely going to go ahead and write it as a log, because that means it's log base e of 200 is equal to 3x. And log base e really means natural log, and you have a button like that on your calculator. So I take the natural log of 200 is 5.298, and then I need to divide by 3. So divide that by 3, and that gives me 1.77. Cool beans.